If you would have bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB in the beginning of 2023, when I first made this portfolio for my VIP students today, you would be in profits of 43%, up over $4,000 from a $10,000 investment. Here's a quick clip of that exact video providing proof of when I made these transactions. Today is November 15th of 2022. Bitcoin is sitting at $16,000 after going as high as over $69,000 over a year ago. As you can see here, 69,000 was the last price, and we are all the way down here in a bear market. So timing is everything with crypto, and I think the timing right now, we are near a bottom. I wanted to share with you an example of a HODL portfolio. Also see my average buy price and how much I'm holding. Right now, it is just 0.3 Bitcoin, 2.75 Ethereum, and 5.5 BNB. Now, I've been in cryptocurrency for the last 6 years. I've made all of the mistakes, and in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 altcoins that I have never shared on this YouTube channel before. But before we get into those, let's roll the intro and let's get started. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe, and every single day I make videos teaching you about cryptocurrency. So if you like money and you like crypto, hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every single day when we come out with a new video. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please understand that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. In full disclosure, I do hold some of the cryptocurrency coins that I will be speaking about in today's video. So here are what some of the altcoins have done this year. You can see Caspa leading the way, up 1,900%. That's right. Cryptocurrency, if you do not know, is very volatile, both towards the upside and the downside, because just as this one has gone up, Algorand is down 70%, eGold is down 55%, Chili's is down 72%, Mana is down 56%, but then you have Render up 200%, OKB up 175%, and you also have CFX up 200%, Hex down 90%, Injective up 30%. So if you're looking for volatility, cryptocurrency certainly has it to offer you. Now, I also want to share with you 3 new cryptocurrency coins that have been out for a little while, and I've done some research, done some digging around with this, and I'm trying to still wrap my mind around it and not spread things that are not true about what are known about these 3 cryptocurrency coins. So the very first coin is one called pDAI. Now, if you can see here, DAI wrapped Pulse, this cryptocurrency started off basically at almost nothing. And the reason why is because people were able to get this cryptocurrency for literally zero because they got a free copy of it over on Pulse Chain. Now, since then, it has gone absolutely parabolic because there's been speculation around this actually pegging to $1. That's been the whole narrative. It's kind of like Dogecoin, right? Everyone, a couple years ago was like, well, Dogecoin's going to hit $1. That's the thing. And what happened? It went to 77 cents, 72 cents, somewhere around there. And then it never made it that high. Can we see something happen similarly to pDAI? Because there's this whole narrative around it. And then there's also theories. One of those theories is that, on DAI, since it is, more of a decentralized stable coin compared to the centralized players like Tether and or USDC, even BUSD back in the day, since it's more decentralized, this was the chosen cryptocurrency stablecoin for Pulse Chain. And so it's become kind of a meme, and also this theory that it's actually going to potentially reach $1 at some point. As people started speculating on this, and then people started chasing green candles and things went crazy. And then we ended up having these 2 blow off tops, and now we've come back down and finding some support and resistance. Now, remember, I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or trade any of these cryptocurrency assets. I'm just sharing with you the data that we have in front of us, as well as what could have happened if you would have been an early investor into these. And I know this because some of my students are early investors in some of these crazy cryptocurrency coins, and they have done some crazy gains. I'll share that with you all the way at the end of the video. You're not going to want to miss out. So you can see people who invested towards the bottom of this got up a 6,000% gain. That is literally better than a majority, or should I say all, of the other cryptocurrency assets here in the top 100. Those are altcoins. So there is a lot of speculation around this. And the reason why is because, well, first off, everything that happened with Richard Hart and the case against him from the SEC spread a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. The chart has gone down for Pulse Chain, PulseX, all of those cryptocurrency coins. You can see, though, today is up 2% in the green. But if you just take a look at Pulse Chain and you see the price after the announcement came out, you will see here that it has certainly not as high as the sacrifice amount. So you can see here that this was the gigantic candle that went all the way down, basically a huge move here of right around 60%. Yeah, this was about 66% from the SEC case. And this was right around here, 0.001. This was where the sacrifice phase pre-sale price was around. And right now we are kind of finding a bottom. Who knows if we go higher or lower at this point, but we are in a nice little uptrend and definitely a cryptocurrency asset to keep an eye on as potentially maybe these break out before the end of the year. And the reason why we're seeing this is because people lost or down 60% there. Well, they want to speculate, right? They want to get those losses back. So the way that they do that is by speculating on something that already existed, as well as something that had a narrative behind it. Other theories that have speculated that DAI actually was able to be working before Pulse Chain was actually released to the public. So there was something kind of, maybe a little more behind the scenes there. Truthfully, it's very difficult to know these things, and a lot of it is just theory and speculation. But what's going to lead us into our next cryptocurrency called Atropa. Now, again, Atropa has gone absolutely parabolic from the very beginning of this. This is on the daily. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Within the first week, this cryptocurrency asset went up 4,000%. And from the bottom all the way to the top approximately, it did 10,000%, which is absolutely crazy. Now, from the top, though, to where it is today, you can see we are down 70-something%. And this is why it is so important that you absolutely understand the risk versus the rewards with these cryptocurrency assets. But a lot of people have been speculating on pDAI, which has led into this new cryptocurrency called Atropa. Now, again, I'm not going to get into all the details about what the speculations are with this one. But there's also been more meme coins popping up. And one of those meme coins is called Teddy Bear. Just like pDAI and Atropa, this cryptocurrency asset has gone parabolic. Now, is anyone's guess to see what is going to happen next? Is it going to roll over and continue to go lower? Or is it going to find support and go higher from here? Well, to me personally, it's something to keep on my radar, especially if I am somebody looking to make investments in cryptocurrency, because you're still wildly early to this entire ecosystem. Remember, Pulse Chain is still very, very new. While Hex is almost 4 years old at this point, Pulse Chain is less than a year old. And typically, it's the new cryptocurrency assets that end up doing the best. Let me share with you another bonus coin called Wall Street Memes. Now, Wall Street Memes, its pre-sale was right around 2 to 3 cents. From there, it ended up going up approximately 1 to 200%, all the way as high as approximately 8 cents. So congratulations if you watched that video. These are very time sensitive. Remember, I'm not telling you what to do with your money here, but if you would have invested into the pre-sale, the coin within a couple of days, then a nice 1 to 200%, you could have taken profits, and you could have been essentially holding some of this cryptocurrency or have doubled or tripled your money. I wanted to share this with you because one of my students a few days ago in my VIP community said, and I quote, "I bought in the beginning of August, bought and watched Joe's crypto course material and wanted to try the pre-sale. Bought in for $500. This morning it's valued at right around $1,200. Not sure where it goes, but it seems bullish. What are your thoughts?" Now, if you do some quick math, $500 into $1,200 is approximately a $700 profitable gain. Now, if you want to learn the exact system that has helped me take $10,000 into $200,000 in 1 week investing in cryptocurrency altcoins, I did this in the last bull market, and how my students are getting gains like you just saw, click the links down below, join us in VIP, and join us and pre-order our course, because the version 2.0 will be coming in 2024. Prices will be also increasing. And I also want to share this with you because these types of gains are not uncommon for students in my online course. In fact, here are the results. You can see that the total value of my portfolio at the time of turning 10,000 into 200,000 was over $400,000, and my unrealized gains at that time were over $250,000. Now, you can also read many of the other student success testimonials, just like I shared with you. After registering for your course, I made about $1 million in the last 6 months. Absolutely insane. Another student of mine said, "Joe, buying your course was really worth it. I made back the cost of the course and a lot from the cross-wallet IDO. Looking forward to more opportunities." We also had another student win a car from an NFT project. That car is worth $30,000 to $50,000. Many other students made the cost of enrollment back. Was up $22,000 off a $5,000 investment. That's a $17,000 gain. And we also had students earning a couple of Ethereum. And the truth of the matter is, you don't need a ton of money in cryptocurrency to make gains. You do need a system and a formula. And for 75% off, you can click the links down below and join us in VIP today. There you have it. Those are 3 altcoins I am personally keeping my eye on, as well as a bonus altcoin that I've shared with you here early. Right now, every single day that you delay learning about cryptocurrency and taking things to the next level, ultimately costing you opportunity. So click the links down below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson. So stay tuned.